Keeping organized is the best way to ensure a stress-free college experience. Today on Decor to Die For, organize your dorm essentials in the most efficient and stylish way possible so you know how to find what you need and when you need it. First up, keep smaller items close at hand with a customized pegboard. You can also weave ribbon through the holes in the board. Clip reminders and notes on the ribbon with binder clips. Use acrylic paint to add a pop of color to containers for your board. Hook them on the pegboard and place your school supplies inside. Next up, always know where things are with these chalk paint labels. Create a geometric pattern with tape on the drawers. Paint inside the triangles with chalk paint. Remove the tape to reveal the pattern. After it dries, write labels with chalk. Finally, keep your schedule front and center with these blackboard stickers. Remove the back from the stickers and place them on the wall. Write your schedule with chalk to ensure you never miss a due date. Thank you for watching Decor to Die For Dorm Edition. Be sure to use the hashtag backtocollege to tell us how you're staying organized, and tune in next week for another episode.